Hello, my class 10 friends. This is the doubt which is asked by many students on GST, and because it is so frequently asked, I decided to make a video of this. Let us read the question. A dealer supplied goods and services worth 5,000 in interstate transaction and worth another 6,000 in transactions within the state. The total value of his receipts of goods and services within the state was 9,000. Find the net tax payable by him if the rate of GST is 12%. Now let us look at the different numbers that we are looking at. The dealer is supplying goods and services. Now when a dealer supplies, is he going to call it his selling price or cost price? It will be selling price. So he supplies worth rupees 5,000, but that is interstate transaction, which means there will be only iGST involved, and worth another 6,000 in the transactions which are within the state. Now, intrastate means we will have to now find CGST and SGST, and this will be all on his supplies. So when he supplies, this becomes the first price. I'll call this as SP1, and this over here I'll call as SP2. The total value of his receipts, the receipts of goods and services within the state was 9,000. So we have another price over here, which is 9,000. Where do you get the receipts of all the goods when you have bought them? So this becomes his CP. Now what is important over here is to find the tax output and the tax input. Remember, tax output depends upon SPs and tax input depends upon CP. We have to find the net payable tax. The net tax payable by him will be tax output minus tax input. So the first one with this 5,000 is going to be interstate. So we will write interstate transaction. And the value for that is rupees 5,000, and we'll call that as SP1. So the output tax is going to be iGST. The rate of GST is 12%. So it will be 12 upon 100 multiplied by 5,000. Cancel the two zeros, and that will be rupees 600. This will be because of his first selling price. The second one that he has, it's the intrastate. So we will write intrastate transaction. For this, the value is rupees 6,000, and we will call that as SP2. Your output tax for intrastate will have to be now CGST plus SGST. The rate being 12%, CGST will be half of that. So 6 upon 100 into 6,000 plus SGST will be 6 upon 100, that is 6% of 6,000. Let's cancel the zeros and you will get them as CGST rupees 360 plus SGST also rupees 360, 6 into 60, and the total output tax will be 360 plus 360 for the intrastate will be rupees 720. Now, we have so far looked at this 600 and this 720. This is for the output tax. So both of these added together will give us the total output tax. We will say total output tax will be equal to iGST from the interstate plus CGST plus SGST. That will be rupees 600, which we calculated earlier, and CGST and SGST are rupees 360 and 360 each. So now that becomes rupees 1320, which is this part plus this part. This is the interstate and this is the intrastate, and the total is 1320, these many rupees. We have to now look at the input tax. For input tax, remember it is again intra-state transaction. And so input tax is going to be CGST plus SGST. The rate is the same. The rate is the same, but the value is rupees 9,000. How much is the value? 9,000. So your CGST will be half of 12 means 6% of 9,000 plus SGST also will be 6% of 9,000. Let's cancel the zeros and we should get them 6 into 90, that is rupees 540 plus rupees 540. That comes out to be rupees 1080. What is this? This is your tax input. Now the net tax payable will have to be the tax output minus the tax input. Tax output we have already seen, it is total output tax is 1320 minus what is tax input? Tax input is 1080. So when we subtract, we will get the net tax which the dealer needs to pay, and that is our answer. So now you see, it was so easy looking at this question, understanding what was our CP, SP, output tax, input tax. So I'm sure you'll be able to solve similar questions on your own. Thank you for watching. Keep looking out for new videos and also new instructions regarding my online course, which is coming soon. I'm launching it soon. And in the meantime, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching.